How did you start it? Hey, let's try some marshmallows.
Damn, I'm getting a tan. That feels good. Yeah.
There we go.
That's a big one. Huh? I can feel it by where homeboy with the blue shirt is. Hey guys, be careful. There's poison ivy before you know. I thought he was going. Hey, Ramon, get away from the tree. Get away from that tree.
Oh, jeez. Look at all that black smoke.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Breathe in. We've done worse in our lives. Fire department's coming to this one. That is a good one. You're going to see all that stuff shrivel up next to it. Don't even need to be on fire. It is? It's so close. That tree might go up in smoke. Oh, no. It looks like it's right over top of it. You can feel it from right here. Heat rises, bro. Yeah, yeah. Let me see the angle on that tree now. Yeah, that's what I like.
No, I think I changed it in my full coat.
It's like a whole circle around it.
Huh? Yeah.
Hey, don't put this by, okay?
That's fire. That is fire. This is why you don't
No, look what happened though.